everyone, if you are dealing with a stomach ulcer, come closer. Let me give you some natural tips that can help. So stomach ulcer is an open sore that forms on the lining of the stomach, and it can cause indigestion, pains, and discomfort. There are things that can cause stomach ulcer. Number one is a bacteria called H. pylori. So H. pylori can enter the body through a contaminated food or water, or when you come in contact with infected saliva of a person that has H. pylori. Number two is overuse of ibuprofen or aspirin. And number three is smoking. Too much smoking is not good. Number four is alcohol. Too much intake of alcohol increases the stomach acid. So there are some natural remedies that you can use to help with the pains, discomfort, and any other thing stomach ulcer can cause. So number one is honey. Because honey has a natural antibacterial properties, it can help fight the H. pylori bacteria. So take 1 or 2 teaspoons of honey on an empty stomach in the morning. Number two is cabbage juice. It has an amino acid which helps with promotion of production of mucus, and this mucus helps to protect the stomach lining, so it can help with healing. So because the juice might not taste good, you can add apple juice or some carrot to help you. So take half cup per day. The third one is slippery elm. So it helps with coating of the stomach and intestines, so it can provide relief from the irritation that ulcer can cause, and it will help with healing. So you can make it as a tea, like 1 teaspoon of the powdered slippery elm with a hot water, and sip it throughout the day. You can use it to replace your coffee. And the last one is a chamomile tea. So it has a calming property, so it can help with relaxation of the stomach lining. So take 1 or 2 cups of chamomile tea per day, and it will help you. But please, before you start any medication or any of these natural remedies, try to consult your doctor. Ask them and let them give you the best advice. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also like, share, and comment if you have any question, and I will answer you. Have a lovely day, and check out for the next video. Bye.